Hello, good morning ulit guys. Dito na lang tayo. Nawalan tulog. Punta kami ngayon ng River Lake sa Cali, which is 3.5 hours of drive. Kami ng buong family ko at kami nag-day off ng stay. So for 3 days, 6, 7, and 8, which is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Actually, wala kaming itinerary. And then we'll just see what happened. And then nakabook na lang kami ng hotel. Or I don't know if it's Airbnb, pero 3-bedroom siya. And tutur ko kayo guys if mamaya. Are you guys ready? Hello? Bawang kami chips. Maaga mga nagising ng mga person. Gusto na kami. Wow. So sunny. Pray muna. Sa Lord, Paradise, Spirit, Amen. Gabayan mo po kami sa aming paglalakbay. Iligtas mo po kami sa lahat ng aming lakad. At sana ay maging enjoy kami sa aming travel. Amen. Amen.
Safe travels, Lord. Let's go!
Galing ah. Let's go! We're at the village now. Big. Oh. Let's go, guys.
Oh, hangin na oh.
Wow.
Ang weather na to.
Wow.
Yay! Check tayo. Bombay, ay naku.
Kinarir. Say hi. Wow. Ano na lang. Screenshot mo.
Last day?
Hey, nag-video. Thank you. Wow, look. So cute. Wow, ate oh.
You know, may Christmas na agad.
Okay, we're here to eat sa, anong tawag dito? Bear noodle bar. Na-order na kami ng food. They have miso soup. They have Taiwanese beef noodle soup. They have tofus. They have rice bowls. Lo, 19% na nga ni. Yeah. Dito rin pala. Nagpinto pa. Wow, ang galing. Ay, sasakyan namin. Nice.
I could do tickets on the boat, or it'll be just from the corner.
What's your step? Thank you. Oh, she meant for 4 people. Thank you. This is so amazing. Wow!
Okay lang dito, okay lang.
Wow! Wow!
Upstairs in the galley, serving you beer, wine, soft drinks, water, and snacks. Here goes the horn.
Alas na kami.
More modern structure was built in the end of the war. Yes, I'm aware that it's not very modern, but if you want to ran it, I did not think that would hold back this large body.
Okay guys, katatapos lang ng aming tour. Nabot din ng almost 2 hours, no? Kapabalik lang namin dito. Yan, sinakyan namin. Ganda. Punta na kami ng cabin namin. Kararating lang namin dito sa cabin namin. Ito siya, oh. Ooh, very aesthetic. Tapos may mini golf kami dito, guys. Wow. Itutour ko kayo. Sobrang ganda dito. Promise. Sobrang worth it. Ito yung labas. Right there. May mini golf dyan. Which is very good. And kalma ng wind niya. May wind siya. So, hindi siya mainit. Malamig siya. Wood lang siya. So, ito yung papasok. Right here. So, yan. So, yan. Makalat. O, parang ang mga gamit. So, meron ditong chessboard. Right here. Dama. May TV. May gitarang pwedeng gamitin. May fireplace. Tapos, couch dito. May second floor doon. Punta tayo doon mamaya. And dito yung first bedroom. Which is master bedroom, I think. First bedroom. Dito sa baba. Which is my walk-in closet. Yay! So, ito yung restroom, guys. Ba? Ganda. Aesthetic. Makeup remover. May sabon. Tuwalya. Extra tissue. Tapos may mga ano na rin doon. Shampoo. Conditioner. So, ito ang magiging room nila ate.
Ilang buwan?
Tapos, dito, may mini storage. Meron dito yung pang golf. Ito. So, ito yung bola ng golf. Yan, kompleto. So, yan. So, dito, may dining table. May kitchen. Kompleto na. May coffee pa. Complimentary coffee. Plato, baso, everything. Kompleto. Tapos dito sa likod, laundry. Detergent. This is very good. Tapos may mga extra dito pang linis, bleach, everything. Oh, lahat kompleto. Broom, duster. Pwede kang maglaba. May rep dito, naka-on na, malamig. Alright, and then dito may ice. And ready na yung ice niya. Yes. Ganda. Linis. Then may locker dito. I don't know why may locker. Siguro just in case pag marami kayo, meron pang paglalagyan ng gamit. Tapos may microwave. Dito. Punta tayo likod. Right here. Ganda. Hindi pa nakapunta dito eh. Sa likod. Wow. And doon, pwede ka mag-fireplace later, mamayang gabi. Pwede natin gamitin yan. And then dito, merong hot tub. Ganda. Sobra. Diba? Ngayon punta tayo sa second floor. Yan. So, second floor siya. Yan o. Cute, diba? This is the second bedroom dito sa taas. And then, wow. See? Yan. Buksan natin para maliwanag. There. Wow. So far, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko na nag-stayan namin. And then this one is the second bedroom, which is pwede dalawang bata. And then meron ditong storage din right there. So, yeah. And then marami dito board games. Yeah, they have plenty board games. And then Ito, meron silang Pac-Man right here. Pwede kayong maglaro. Promise. And then, ito yung CR namin, second floor. Sobrang cute. Yan o. Sobrang yung aesthetic talaga. Nakakabilib. Yan o, ang cute ng bowl. Grabe. Yes. Everything is right here too. Wala lang paliguan dito sa taas. So, I think makikiligo kami sa kwarto nila ate. Okay. Mag-iihaw na kami, guys. Asan yung mga ihawin? May hot tub. A very nice view. Nice. Ganda ng view mo dyan. Wow! Brown out dito, guys. This colored. Okay lang paggabi na. 8:25. Maliwanag pa naman ng onte. Pero padilim na rin siya.
Mas maliit magdilim dito.
Parang ang liwanag dito sa camera. Pero madilim na yan, guys. Patay lahat ng ilaw. Sobrang quiet. Kahit yung kapitbahay. Sobrang dilim na. May buwan na nga eh. Buwan yan.